unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Yes, Cheat Engine is free to use. It is an open-source tool designed for modifying single-player games running under Windows. It allows gamers to make games harder or easier to play by changing certain values, such as the number of lives or health. However, using Cheat Engine can be complex and may not work on all games. Additionally, it is important to use it responsibly and ethically, considering the game's and other players' experience.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.